everyone, guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some jerk chicken and festival chicken, already washed, prepped, seasoned from overnight with our jerk marinated sauce that we have on the channel. So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. So now our grill is hot and ready to go for this nice delicious chicken. So let's get right into it. So we're going to be adding like 4 pieces of chicken on this grill today. Guys, it's beautiful, it's hot, and it's nice outside. Oh my God, we have been waiting for this. So guys, today is a beautiful and nice day to just get the kids and go outside and enjoy some jerk chicken. So we're doing jerk chicken and some hot dogs today. So now that we had our chicken to the grill, we're going to close the lid and make it jerk. So yes guys, we're going to be checking on the chicken now. So we're going to turn it over. So you know, we don't want any burned chicken. We want some nice chicken, well jerk, seasoned to the bone, nice whole heap of niceness. So guys, once we do this, then I will be closing the lid again so it can jerk. You can wet it up with beer, any little thing you want to, but I am not doing that today. You know, I want the authentic taste. You know, when you're in Jamaica and you go to the jerk center, they're doing it on the stove, the one with the coal and stuff. That's the one I want. So I'm gonna be switching my grill very soon so I can get that nice authentic jerk chicken flavor. But don't get me wrong, I'm still getting it with this because I know exactly how to do it and how to get it that way. So guys, I can tell you, I wish you guys could just smell the niceness, all those delicious spices combined together. Because once you season your chicken from overnight, you know, oh Lord. So we're checking on it again, make sure that we don't have any mess up with any chicken or anything. So now we're turning it over. Closing the lid again. So now guys, we are back. It's almost ready. So we're gonna make sure we kind of pull it off the fire so your chicken don't dry out, all the moist and everything don't dry out of the chicken. So you just pull it off the fire, just put it one side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the other 2 pieces of chicken that is remained on the grill. So there we put 1 piece there, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the other piece. So when I come back, I will be adding my hot dogs. Yes guys, chicken is ready, and we add like 3 hot dogs right there. You know, you cannot leave out the kids. Some kids may eat the jerk chicken, some don't. So you have to make sure you have the hot dogs there for them. And tune in next time, we will be doing some burgers. So it's guys, I just leave those there. I'm gonna take this one inside the chicken that is already done, and then we're gonna head inside to do the festival. We already need the festival and it's ready to go. So yes guys, make sure when you're doing your festival you keep on turning it and things like that, because you don't want it to get burned. And guys, I did not do the full video on this, like video the full festival making, but I just used some all-purpose flour, cornmeal, baking powder, salt, nutmeg. You can add some cinnamon, some vanilla, your butter, and you're good to go. So yes guys, those are ready. So I'm going ahead and I'm taking them out. You don't want to have any, you want the golden crispy festival, not the ones that are dark and burn. Doing this just take me right back to when I used to live in Fatespen, and my mom and my stepdad used to jerk chicken every day. It's just memories, you know, when you live somewhere that they cook every day. So guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. Click the notification bell, and remember, live good, love God, have yourself a wonderful and blessed day. Thank you for making it Pal's Island Kitchen. And guys, remember, if you guys are watching my videos and you're not subscribed, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell and like up the videos and leave a comment just to say hi or anything. Feel free to just reach out and ask any question.